Yeah, guys. Last 2 fish left, you know? Last 2 fish left, guys. This is it, guys. Yeah, guys. On the way, going to the river at this time, guys. So just stay tuned with us until we reach on the river. You know, I think I don't. Outside, you know. Yeah, guys, we're down on the river. You know, I think go. Down on the river we there now, guys. I know one bag of thing I go and don't. So I go get the coal pot light up. Get the coal on the coal pot, get it light up. As I mentioned before, today we're about some fish. We'll fry the fish them and eat it with bread, you know what I mean? Alright, junior, so that's a peeps. That is it, so I go get the coal light up on there, you know what I mean? Yeah, coal light up on there, guys. Yeah, that is it. It's nice and peeps. Yeah, guys. As I said before, guys, the fish them they already scaled. So the only thing we're gonna do now, just get them wash off and clean up back again, because them already scaled, and get them seasoned up. Because remember the guys, I fry them today, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it, guys. Yeah, guys, that is it, you know? Epic day, you know? Yeah, man. Outside, you know, guys, I do the right thing. You see me? So we're there, guys. We do the right thing. What we're going to do now, we're going to set on the frying pot so you can throw some oil in it and start get the fish and fry, guys. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment. Outside, I do the right thing on the riverside. It's nice, guys. One leg, you know. As soon as the pot get hot, I'll get the oil, throw it in the pot, get them in action, you know what I mean, guys? Out, you know. Alright, yeah, guys, I'll get the oil, throw it in the pot now, you know. And what we're gonna do now, guys, we have a scallion and the onion. I'll get the scallion and then comes some garlics. Wash off same time, guys. Get them wash off, you know. Yeah, guys, get them wash off. We're gonna drop them in the oil same way. That is it, guys. So just stay tuned. As soon as the oil starts at the right way, we're gonna drop the fish them in it and get them in action. Yeah, guys, stay tuned for that, you know what I mean? We're going to fry them in the meanwhile. You see my run them going to fry, you know? Yeah, guys, that is it, yeah? guys. Yeah, guys. Last 2 fish left, you know? Last 2 fish left, guys. This is it, guys. This is it, you know? This is everything, guys. Very nice, lovely fish, you know? And then we have a feast. And see the bird over here, guys. Don't know I bread that, you know. There's a thing there, you know. Bad rest there. Flat there. That's the well governed there, and the well governed there, isn't it? Yeah, guys. 2 last fish left, you know. Yeah, guys, so you don't know. I ate this, I know, you know what I mean? I ate this, so everything done, I know, you know what I mean? So, as I said to you guys before, remember, you know, you're going to eat the fish and the bread, because as I said to you before, on the riverside, we're there. And you up on the riverside, we never do too much. You know, can have some fun. So I'll get the pot take off and 1 bag of thing, then we're going to share out the fish with the bread and start consuming some food. See, peeps? Just stay tuned for that, alright? Yeah, guys, suppose I go and get the fire paper them slice up. I'm going to use the fire paper because we never carry any plate. So I'm going to use the fire paper. Yeah, guys, let's start going and get the muds up. Yeah, man, muds up in the man. Yeah, guys, this is it, man. Yeah, let's get somebody that. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, guys, epic moment. Outside, we're up on the riverside. I'm going with a bag of thing, you know? Yeah. Don't know, I Rasta share today, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Pencos behind the camera now. And Rasta go and share. Start to treat me, man. Stay tuned for all of that, guys. And remember, guys, we need 2,000 likes. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, you know, guys. Outside, to do the right thing.
Nyama that? Nyama. Come on, go like you know eat some.
Eat no. Eat the nyama. No. They no. So they are all together.
Lato 1 or 2.
Yeah, they don't like no bad dress and tell me how it tastes. Ketchup there, you know?
Ketchup. Active cost.
I still have fish leave over, guys. Still have fish leave over. Yeah, the west side there. I got that the west.
The epic one.
Oh my god, I see the girls them over there side there. So tune in. But them not ready yet. I see the next one tune in there. Epic moment, you know, with the ladies them outside, talk truth, never lie. Yeah guys, I mind this. I'm gonna go down on my own now. You know, say boy, Pencas don't. Go down on my own now. Bad. Just good, me like it. Bad, so guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. What am I gonna do now guys? I'm gonna consume some food. After I consume some food, I'm gonna get back to you guys in a bit. So stay tuned for all of that. Nice sandwich, huh? Nice, huh? Nice sandwich, huh? Yeah guys, you know it's your boy Pencas, and you know say right now guys we are leaving from the riverside now because we already consumed some food. It's only this alone left guys. Only this alone left, you know. So we're gonna chew this in a bit. So right now guys we're gonna close off the video now. Because we're there from morning. So we're gonna go home now. So I just wanna say thank you guys so very much for your lovely support. Thank you so very much for your turning out. I thank you for watching every video when I upload on YouTube. So right now guys, I eat this man. Cool. I'm gonna swim in the river, you see me guys. So I eat this man, we're gonna leave out now. So check in when I walk go up the hill, you know? Check in guys.
I got that adrenaline momentum, not going when I'm never gonna slow up and I'm ready to snap any momentum. Thinking it's time to go.